Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a couple mixers that are on the ready line. One's an RM300 and the other one's an SS250. A couple more pieces that are available. Komatsu Dozer D65 EX. $2,000-gallon water truck. A Cat 304 mini excavator. Good looking Cat 320. Another Cat 320 but with a long stick on it, long reach. One of our PC200s with a hammer on there. Just shy of 5,000 pounds. Our Kobelco 350 with 8,500 pound hammer on it is available. Got a 320 with a fixed thumb on the back there. A couple pad foot rollers. A little 450J LGP. A pneumatic 30 ton and a 770G John Deere motor grader. Got this gym that just came off a ran, a Cat 312 EL, about a 30,000 pound excavator. Looks like we got one of our case backhoes in too. So we got our PC200 right there, long stick, or long reach. Got one of our Komatsu PC360s, getting ready to go out on rent. Just got done in the wash rack, looks like. Again, if you got any questions, give me a jingle, 817-733-3799. This is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy. Thank you, and have a blessed day. And right above is our office number.